This time I try to make toge. This will use a water bottle used to hold water. Toge are one of Indonesian favorite vegetables that are rich in the benefits. How can we make it look? At the following video, the first thing we the read is green beans. Select the quality green beans for making toge. Then I used bottle like a mineral water bottle as long as the clean. First, you put a hole in the bottle. Hole on bottle. This hole acts as absorption of water. Next, we clean green beans. Clean green beans. Throw away the green beans that split because they're not good. Nah. Don't forget clean green beans. Throw away the green beans that float because they no good. They not good. Don't forget to rinse it over and over until the water is clean, friend. Don't forget to rinse it over and over. Don't forget to rinse it over and over until the water is clear. Okay, friend? Grind bean until the water is clear. Then, if already stuck the with warm water for 6 or 8 hours, close it and keep in the set of inside or drag. Okay, friend. After soaking using warm water for 6 or 8 hours, put it in the bottle that has been prepared. Nah, and these are the green beans that have been soaked in throw used water from the green bean, or it can be used as liquid organic fertilizer. Throw 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 away the used water from the green beans, or it can be used as liquid organic fertilizer. Jadi, nah, Nah, and then when you put all the green beans in the bottle and till them this away. This away. And we close them with a moist cloth to keep temperature, awaking placing them in the shade or dark. And then we close them with a moist cloth to keep the temperature awake, placing them in the shade or dark. Okay, or side or drag. Temperature awakening, placing them inside or drag. And it's the first day green beans becomes toge. Watch. For watering, just soak the bottle in the water. Nah, water deep to 2 times to drain. For the watering can be done in the morning and the afternoon. For the watering can be done in the morning and the afternoon. Then put in the bag in the container and put and bag in. Placing them in the side or drag. And in the end, toge can be harvested. Just be removing the scissors from the side and coming out of the toge. To roast the bottle by reversing the solid. Ya, dia.
Oke. Dipotong. Toge. Toge. Toge.
Guys, gitu.
Ini udah jadi. Ya guys.
Coba.
Tepat dia.
To the bottle by removing the solid. Hi, how are you, friend? So easy how to make toge with the bottle mineral water. Be careful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.